Okay folks, Paulie here, and you're looking at my stove top with some ingredients on top, and the oven is heating up to, it will be 350 degrees, and what we're going to make today is some biscuits and gravy. Now this is about the easiest way to make it, because of course you got the pre-made biscuit dough, and yeah, you certainly could make your own sausage, I guess, but yeah, this is all you need, you know, aside from the pans and the spoon or whatever. But let's get started. Let me move some of this stuff. This is going to take about 13 to 16 minutes to bake. So let's just get these on the pan first. Let's warm up this pan. And yeah, you certainly could make your own biscuits. I do it sometimes, but you know, sometimes you just don't want to, and not everybody knows how to make them, so we'll do that some other time, make biscuits. We will put the fake biscuits on the pan. You gotta be careful of yourself from cutting yourself. They say, you know, put them 1 inch apart, but I'm not too worried about that, to be honest. You do it however you want. They will still bake. Mark my word. So yeah, we'll just put these in the oven. We'll put the timer on. We'll just say 14 minutes. Start. Put them in the oven. The pan's getting warmed up. Open up the sausage. I use the regular. You can get the spicy. You can get some other flavored sausages. I like Jimmy Dean, pretty good stuff. And you might want to make sure you wash this thing out real good before you put it in the trash, because it'll be stinking in no time. Alright, I'm going to wash my hands. So you're going to try to break this up as much as you can. This is the simplest biscuits and gravy to make. I bet I can make this faster than when getting the order in a restaurant if you ordered it. Half them places got the gravy already made. Just get this stuff all broken up. After this all gets cooked off, you're gonna have to make a ways to make the gravy thicken, and that's by making a roux. Again, this is the easiest way to do it. The sausage smells nice. Now the key ingredients to making a roux, to make the gravy, thicken up the gravy, is a thickening agent with like flour, cornstarch, arrowroot, and fat. So this sausage has enough fat in here to give you a nice thick gravy. Now, and the milk here, I don't normally drink whole milk anymore. I drink fat-free. But if you want a rich, nice gravy, you want to use whole milk. Do not use no soy milk, no vanilla flavored milk, soy, whatever, flaxseed. Use the real thing with the fat in it. See? Now I've done this so many times. I'm not using no measuring spoons or no measuring cup. And you'll see what I'm talking about here. Try this at home. You will not be disappointed. Okay, you don't want to overcook it because you want to retain that fat, right? If you overcook it, it's going to be dry. you'll never have a gravy. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to shake a little flour in there. About like that. And you're going to mix it all together. Make sure all that flour absorbs into the fat of that meat. You are making a roux now. This is what you're doing. You're making a roux. Now, do I think I need a little bit more? I don't know. Let's see. Put a little bit. That'd probably be good. I got 7 minutes until the biscuits are done. If you put flour in here, you put too much in here, that flour will not absorb into the meat. So, just saying, don't go crazy. Add it gradually. And I've done this so many times, millions of times, and very familiar with making this. Now what we're going to do is, we're going to turn it down a little bit more. We're going to add some milk. And what you want to make sure to be careful not to do is do not let the milk boil. It will be funky and it is terrible. Now the amount of flour that you put in also determines how much gravy you're going to make. The more flour that you put in there, the more milk you're going to have. I do not put any seasonings in here. This meat is seasoned already. It's kind of pepperish, but I do tend to find myself putting a little bit more pepper, maybe some salt. See, it's thickening up pretty good. I'm going to put a little bit more milk. Just to get it to that consistency I like it at. 5 minutes until the biscuits are done. Everything's looking great. Remember, do not let it boil. Ladies and gentlemen, the gravy is done. Just like that. So let me get a taste of this gravy. Now if you're cooking in the industry, you're going to do a 2-spoon method in tasting. Meaning you take it out from one, you take it out with one, right? Then you put it into the other. And then this one you can use in there again, but dump it in there again if you want to taste some more. You might need to taste it again because you added some salt or pepper or whatever, right? But let's get a taste of this. This recipe has been in my mom's side of the family for maybe a good 150 years. My grandfather, who lived to be 100 years old, made this till he died, the day he died. Now, there's been different variations on my mom's side of the family on how it's made, but it's all basically this. They all argued who made the best gravy. Well, I'm here to tell them all I make the best gravy, even when I do the easy method. There's that sound. Guess I got the Dutch oven in there. I don't know if you guys noticed that. But... Okay, I'll start with 2 biscuits. Now some people just take the biscuit, put it on the plate like that and put gravy over it. Not me. I break it up. Looks good to me. Let's give it a try. Outstanding. I highly advise you guys to make this at home if you want something hearty for breakfast. This is comfort food in every way. And that's about all I got for now. I'm Paulie, and I'm hungry.